Up to now, you have learned to recognize the popular types of spanners, but we have not yet explained the very important factor of spanner sizing. Every spanner has marked on it a number which refers to its size. There are three basic spanner size standards, namely metric, imperial, and Whitworth. Whitworth sizes are now not commonly encountered, but are still used on older machines. To recognize each type, you must look carefully at the spanner markings. A metric spanner will show a number only, such as this. In this example, the number 17 indicates that it is a 17-millimeter spanner. All metric spanner types are size marked in a similar way. Imperial-sized spanners carry the marking AF next to the number. AF meaning across flats. The sizes of imperial spanners are given in the inch system, used mostly in America and Britain. In this example, the spanner size is ½ an inch across its flats. Imperial spanners are still popularly used and are readily available in good tool stores. As you progress in your chosen trade, you will no doubt become experienced in selecting the correct sized spanner for the job. Whenever selecting a spanner, the first consideration is the size. Always select the spanner that fits snugly onto the fastener. Using an open-ended spanner is the easiest way to discover the right size of spanner. Once again, a spanner that is even slightly too large will slip when force is applied, causing damage to the fastener, the spanner, and possibly to you. It is strongly recommended that you include the popular sizes of all spanner types in your basic tool kit, as you will often need to use two spanners of the same size. After the pause, you will learn important facts about using spanners.